Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 5th of September. Starting out the week with a soft day, to say the least. Not happy with what I saw at the market, but individually, there's a lot of stocks still popping. ACMR, which we noted twice this week. Look at the way this has moved. Coming out of the breakaway and pullback wedge, it's gone from 16 and a quarter range to almost 20, 19.75, finishing in 1968. Right now, momentum is strong enough that I believe this could make it into the mid-20s. AUR popped out of a wedge today and it's retesting the recent highs in August at 3.75. It closed at 360. If we get up through here, I believe we have a stock that could be 5.75. FNGR popped today, maybe breaking across the declining top line. If it breaks out of this pattern, we could see a substantial move. First resistance is 715, and it's 8.5 and 9.75. GDC with a big day today on 23 million shares, popped 37% and finished near the upper end of the range. Like after popping a week ago and pulling back and falling wedge, you'll see the recovery here. My guess is if there's momentum follow through, we're going to see $5. HSDT also exploded today, pulled way back, but still finished up to 49 at 33% at 937. The high was 1488, so way off the high. Not necessarily we're going to get a follow through in this one, but I wanted to point out that it ran up to a key resistance area in that 14.5 area before backing off. Let's see if it can come on again. INSM broke out, jumping from 21.30 to 27.15, finished 26.13, up 3.5 points, 15.5% gain. Mine was, I said, almost 10 million shares. It was a big breakaway day. I'm now looking for an extension to 29. IONQ, one of our favorites in the tech trader swing, popped out today, jumping another $1.10 or 6.3%. Now looking for an extension to get this stock up to the $20 range, eventually mid to high 20s. KOLD with a breakaway gap took out a declining top line. This could be significant. The highest close we've seen since August when it broke down. My guess is that the double top up around 67, a quarter and a half would be your next target. LFMD came out of a long multi-month coil and popped from 416 to 487, backed off to 467 up 42 cents, 10% gain, nearly 700,000 traded. It's a thin stock, but if it goes, we should see 5.5 and 7. MITK, an old favorite of mine from years ago. I know this company well. Big base pattern breakaway move, exploded from 11.15 to 12.90, closed 12.75 up 140 or 12%. This is the kind of stock that can run mid-teens is my target to start. MJ, marijuana came to the forefront today. Last couple of days, take a look at this move from 287 to a high of 399 today and closing just 2 cents off the high. Likely we got to follow through. My target's 485. MSOS, and that's an ETF for marijuana, as is MSOS, which had a similar move from about 488 all the way up to 850, nearly doubling. I have resistance now about 9.5, my next target. NVAX, long bases developed a pop and coil and then a breakout today. There's a lot of resistance to contend with. We can get to 9.6, 9.5. I'd look for 10.25 and 11.5. OLMA broke through a key multi-month consolidation. Spiked 208 at 20%. Traded 1.2 million, thinly traded stock. I think has designs on 15. And finally, VERB with a monster day, percentage-wise from 75 cents to 375, finishing 258 up 186, a 260% gain and a mere 120 million shares traded. That kind of volume usually could get follow through. So I look for the stock to maybe make a retest of today's high 3.75, and should it get through, maybe $5. But be very careful. Very volatile stock that could easily pop and drop like it did here in one day. And that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening.